In this video, we are going to discuss about some popular mobile operating systems. In the previous video, we discussed some popular operating systems, but they were used only on the personal computers, the desktops, the laptops, or even the servers or the mainframes. But as you know that mobile systems have invaded our life, be it mobile systems, be it laptops, be it tablets, they are very much present in our life. So we need a special software for using those devices and operating system for running those software, providing an interface to that software also has to be specific. So let's look at some of the most popular operating systems. The most popular is Android because it is used by almost 85% of the mobile users. Android has been developed by Google. Next is Windows Phone 7. As you can suggest, Windows is there, so it is a Microsoft product. It has been launched by Microsoft. Apple iOS. Apple has its own mobiles and a proprietary operating system called iOS for its own devices. Similarly, BlackBerry is a company that has its own mobile devices and operating systems for those devices, which are called the BlackBerry operating systems. In this video and previous few videos, we have discussed about many different types of operating systems which are a type of software. In the next video, we are going to discuss about utility software.